Hi guys, I'm already done packing my things. So time check, it's 4:48.
Bisan asa man, malupat ang laagan. Paisa na basta magkuyot ang luka. Kung mahurot ng bitiyo, di na ta makasakay. Magpaklahi lang tabay.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is December 28th. And time check, it's already 4:30 in the morning and I'm currently fixing my things because I need to jump off by 5 a.m. going to Balinguan Port. That's 2 hours from here. I need to catch the 9 a.m. trip, pero kung paboran sa Ginoo kasi makasayo-sayo, the first trip which is 6 a.m. pero posible na. I'm kind of frustrated. Magdire-dire sa suka. Upon checking the weather at the balcony, the drizzle gihapon siya guys. Yes, Lord, please lang, pabor lang for the next 3 days sa weather. Kumagin na akong now, I'm just fixing my things. Ang mga basa, mga medyo nag-uga na siya. I put it here. Kagahapon, mga nabasa na ko nito. Super ulan from Valencia City up to here sa City ko. Ay naku. I don't know about the weather. Since 24 pa daw sinukulan dito. As in, super non-stop. Wala ko na pagkatapos sa haring araw. So, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. That's 4 days straight. Siyempre po doon na pagkatapos sa haring araw. Huwag po kayong weather from Jensan to Maramag. Then suddenly, half of Valencia, sinagkulimlim na. Tapos balay-balay going here. 100% sige nagkuhan. So for now guys, I just have to finish fixing my things and then I'll go na. Time check 4:51 and I'm ready to go to Camiguin Island. Tali ko mapag 2 hours and Lord, please clear the way and I need to withdraw pa kaya 70 na lang akong cash dari sa ako. Itaka. Alright guys, so finally I am already here in Camiguin. So this is my room. Good for 4 siya actually. This is what I have booked. Yan, kaya ako naman isa as usual. Wala tayo choice mga bahay, no? So now I'm already, yes, that's my OOTD for the first day of stay here in Camiguin. And ako ang trip karon is katong mga spring, katong mga falls nila. Hindi mo ko maligo po. Mag-picture lang din ko. And I also have to book for Mantigi Island. Katong nakita nyo ganina. And ang katong White Island. Kung what's the process if ikaw lang isa. So, this is my room. Katong kuan lang din siya. Transient type of accommodation. Ako mong good guys is pag mag-travel yun ko, especially if not staying ako ang purpose yun, I don't really look into the physique of the room. Kaya ako alam, binlananay lang dyan ugamit kay for the whole day ugma wala man pud ko. For now, I would just pass. Sorry, I just want to enjoy kung stay there, so mag-start na ko. So I'll just have to enjoy this moment karon and wala pa ko naka-lunch. So mobalik ko sa ilang city proper and I'll have my lunch. Nasa Lijalib diri mga kadayers and then magpabook ko para ugma. And then, sorry na ko itong Sunken Cemetery. I really want to go there. And then, mga pasalubong center and mga falls. So, balan ko ninyo. Alright guys, finally! I'm already in Camiguin. And at this moment, nako diri sa ilahang seawall. And I just wanna feel the moment, guys. Just wanna feel the moment na finally, after 10 long years of dreaming na makaabot ani nga place, finally I'm here with Torchy and I hope Papa is proud of me. So I'm just feeling the moment here. It's my look.
Actually, ako initial plan gyud guys is mag-ato sa Sunken Cemetery, pero wala lang, since random ta na individual, gusto na ko buhaton this afternoon is libutan ang tibuok island. They told me na in just an hour or two mahurot na daw nimo siya. So let us see what will be the ending of this trip. Amazing. Alright, so currently guys, na ako sa, I don't know, unta ni siya lagoon. Blue lagoon niya siya. So just stop by, kinaram siya sa highway. Kana siya. And then nagato ko sa port sa Binoni, and then nag-inquire na ko kung paano ko makauli, and I also did and nag-inquire na food ko sa ni Mantiga Island. Wala ko kabalong sa ako pagka siya sa akong oras ugma. But anyways, what's important karon is makalaag yapon ko o malibot na ko ang Camiguin, because that's the main objective for this afternoon. Alright guys, so currently nata diri karon sa isa sa mga tourist spots dari sa Camiguin. I forgot what's this one, pero it's a boardwalk in the middle of a mangrove, and then I'm all alone. You know what guys, one of the best things of traveling alone is that what jud kay agdon, and then everything's just spontaneous. Wala kay isipon, wala kay agdon. Whatever na mag-come in sa imong mind, you can do it. Diba? I'll be staying here for 15 minutes. Ang entrance fee is 30 pesos. Australian na siya across the board. Ay, palibot siya. So it's very, very good. After this, gusto ko mag-Sunken Cemetery, but ingon si ma'am, it will be an hour pa daw. So, okay. And this one, mana siya ang Mantigue, that one. So sa port ana ni adto nako, then I inquired, tag 750 ang boat, and then tag 50 lang ang entrance, og hopefully ugma God willing mahanay ang tanan, and then I will not be worrying about the kauban ako para malas na ko ang pamasahe sa ilang boat. For the information of you guys, maximum of staying there is 3 hours. So, yeah. Ako, I don't need to stay long. Manggod ko sana kumaadtuan tanan. Siguro 30 minutes, that would be okay for me. Apo, okay lang. Alright guys, so our next stop nata diri karon sa Tuasan. Abot Tuasan or Tuasan Falls. Oh my gosh. No. Sini na lang kaduol na dayon ko. Oh my god, hello po. Tabi po. Oh my god, doon. Taray! Para siya tong mas nipis lang siya, pero ang mga bundok same as katong first falls sa Lake Cebu. Oh my god! So ang Tuasan Falls from the highway is just around 6 kilometers. So nakita lang po na ko siya nga nasa sa gilid. So gadoan na lang po na ko siya. So thank you Lord. Amazing kaayo sa Lord. So that's it. So that's our, I don't know, papila na ito nga stop mga bae. So next, akong gusto lang makatch karon is ang sunset sa Sunken Cemetery. And they are open, I don't know from what time, up until 5 p.m. There, Tuasan Falls over there. Lord, unta lang gid God's favor karon, unta lang jud perfect sunset sa Sunken Cemetery, because that's one of the bucket list gid na gusto kay nako adtuan. And karon kay murag na mag-host dari no. Ato ang grab ang opportunity para limpyuhon si Torchy, kay grabe na kaayo ang all. Sir, pa-experience sa inyong kuan, sir. Pa-experience ko sa inyong tubuharity. walk north here to look for Selma.